Good evening, folks. Doing a mini challenge for Blake. This is for the Jason Tatum, where the top two are getting spots in the main. Challenge live. Got Dale to suck shit Rimpus. Copying that list in the randomizer at 9 PM local time. Dale down to suck shit Rimpus. Dice roller 2 dice, no snake eyes. Yeah, it's a 7. Looking for the top two. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Rimp and Dale on top one more time. 9 o'clock. Congrats to the top two. Suck shit Rimpus and Dale. We had to go 7 times. We did go 7 times. Verification code at the bottom. Spot 10 and 1. Picking up spots in the main. Congrats. Not sure who Suck shit Rimpus is, but that's who got the top. Challenge complete.